And today's topic, I just saw it's about reality shows. So,
Yeah.
do you watch any reality shows?
Uh, Truly speaking, not. I don't watch
No.
any reality shows because
Uh-huh.
the bad things about this that
Yes.
elongation of unnecessary elongation of that
Hmm.
particular
Right.
reality. So but yeah, some reality shows
Mm-hmm.
reflects the social historical reality
Yes.
shows like
Historical reality shows such as?
such as like biopic or biography on the basis of uh,
Uh-huh.
Rabindranath or Netaji, this kind of story.
Okay, like documentaries you're talking about.
Documentary, yeah. Documentary
Okay, okay,
really
okay.
shows, gives you some information, then it
Yes.
is okay. But
Yes.
normal reality show,
Mm-hmm.
what I can
Mm-hmm.
say,
You don't
like,
like them, you dislike
nah,
them.
yeah, exactly, like marriage shows or something like that.
Oh, yes, the Swayamvar
Normal.
concept that's running on television these days, that's what you're talking about?
Mhm.
Oh, yes, that's really absurd.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And if you could participate in any reality show to showcase any of your talents, which show would you like to be a part of?
Uh, Detective shows, I want to
Hmm.
choose
Oh,
detective
wow,
reality shows.
interesting. Okay, private. Okay, do you like to watch movies or read books related to this particular category?
Yeah,
Mystery?
I like to read mysterious
Hmm.
storybooks or
Yeah.
detective storybooks, especially.
Okay. Okay, okay. That's nice. So, have you read Sherlock Holmes?
No, I listen to the podcast on Radio Mirchi on YouTube.
Okay, so what is the podcast about? Is it about
Like
Sherlock Holmes or some different detective?
different detectives along with
Huh?
Sherlock Holmes in Bengali.
In Bengali. Okay, that's
And also
pretty
there are a
cool.
lot of, yeah, and there are a lot of sounds like realistic
Yeah.
when you close the door, like
Mhm.
the sound and the
Yes.
raining sound.
Yes.
So it is like when you listen to it very carefully
Mhm.
with
Mhm.
in a silent or like in a room alone,
Yes.
then it will, it is a great feeling. I think I can say.
Okay. Yeah, that's very, very true. You know, these 8D
Mm.
songs they are called.
Eight D
When
songs.
you
Oh,
listen to them, it feels like if you listen to the sound of rain, it actually feels like you're sitting in that kind of an
yeah,
environment,
exactly.
right? Yeah, that it has a great effect. Yeah, true that. I had completely forgotten about it. I think after this session, I have to go back to my playlist and search all the 8D songs that I've saved.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Very
So, do you
nice.
have your own playlist?
On playlist, yeah, I saved. Sometimes I saved, and
Mhm.
sometimes I put it to watch later.
Okay. So, do
So
you watch it later? All the videos that are there in my watch later folder, I have never watched it so far. So, how about you?
same same case,
Yeah.
same things, but
Mhm.
I try to listen. Or something is very important, then I download it. Then I download.
Okay, you downloaded. All right. So, um, do you have your account on Spotify or any
Uh,
such
no, I don't have
applications?
any account on Spotify. I just
Okay.
use YouTube
Hmm.
watch later and to download all the audios and videos.
Okay, then same here. I've also not subscribed to any of
But
these
yeah,
applications. I just
exactly
listen to songs
because
on YouTube. Yeah.
that is the subscription process, na?
Mm. Correct, correct. Yes. Okay. So it's been so nice connecting with you after so
Yeah,
long.
exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. And you are super busy and you are super tutor, so you are hardly, you are always occupied.
I have like super learners, and you guys, it's just
Thank you
you,
very much.
who
Nice
make me
compliment.
feel so nice about my journey here on Clapingo. So I
Yeah,
should be
true, true.
thankful to you
That's
guys.
true.
Okay, and yeah, and your speaking skills, I don't think there is any room for correction in today's session because you spoke
Thank you very
everything
much.
very well, right? Whether it's the way you ask questions, your presentation skills, voice
Oh,
modulation, vocab, grammar, everything, you did pretty well.
thank you very much.
Okay,
And
yeah.
one thing I just can't deny that Clapingo
Uh-huh.
needs this kind of tutors like you,
Oh,
and also some tutors I have too. So those
mm-hmm.
are really amazing. Like those
Yes,
that you said that that learners paid for these classes, so
correct.
you have to be professional.
Professional. Yes,
Yeah. So
yes.
that's awesome.
Right. So this mentality is very important because see, imagine you go to a restaurant, okay, and let's say the chef is having a bad day. If he sends out bad food, how would you feel?
True, true.
It wouldn't be nice, right? So the same, right? So it's the same philosophy in every aspect of life.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
it is your job. Yeah.
Yes, it's your
But
job.
all the
You have to
best.
be
And if
professional. Yeah.
you, I think that good, if you do good, then good
Mhm.
will reflect on you. So
Yes,
you are,
yes. Yeah.
I hope
Things
that
might take a
everything.
little time, but ultimately everything will definitely work in your favor.
Mm,
Just keep working hard, be honest, and give your 100% to whatever you're doing. Okay. And if you don't like what you're doing, try to find what it is that you want to do with your life.
mm,
Right? Spend a little time on introspection and see what you're good at, what are your strengths, and just do a bit of analysis. So it'll help you get more clarity in life.
absolutely.
Okay.
Then we can
All
enjoy the life.
Yeah, yeah. If you're constantly worried every day before going to work, if you're just, feeling anxious, a couple of months it's fine. When you're a fresher, it's a normal feeling. But if the same thing is happening over and over again, then something is wrong, right? So then
Yeah,
you
it
have
is.
to do a bit of
Yeah.
introspection.
Mm. Then yeah, I have to think that it is not meant
Hmm.
for me, or it
Yeah,
is not
but
cup of tea.
yeah, it's not your cup of tea, but don't jump to conclusions. Okay, have an
Mm.
open mind, go with an open mind, experience everything. You might like it, who knows, right? Yeah. Okay. So all the best to you and to
And
all
thank you
your
very
future
much.
endeavors. And I hope to meet you again. Take care.
Yeah,
Bye
thousand
bye.
times. Okay, bye
Yeah. Thousand times. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you.
bye.
Bye.